Hi guys, it's your boy WCE Graphics. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to export your work to have quality resolution. How you can export your work to have quality resolution. Normally, this teaching now is about JPEG format. I'm not teaching about any format. This JPEG format. So what you need to do after designing, when you want to export, you press your Ctrl E, then to bring you to a place. Okay, you can see it to bring you to this place. Then you're gonna put it in RGB. You scroll down your resolution, apply 1000 to that place. Apply 1000 there. And to make your work more quality, to not drop quality, when sending the work to clients, you have to send as documents. I use picture to try, but let me use a raw format to export so you guys will see it. You can see, I want to just show you the quality. You can see it's still clear. But let me try a raw format. A raw format. How many of you know the other name for CorelDRAW, which is all these your Corel format, raw format? They are called vector files. They are called vector files. They are called vector files. In case you hear about vector file, you know they are talking about CorelDRAW format. Now I'm going to open this design. I think I did this as that day before yesterday, so you can see it. I'm going to export this one. So I'm going to export this one. This one is raw format. Ctrl E. Then you put on the name you want to. Then you press export. You're gonna put the RGB. This is when, if you are printing, do not put RGB. You're gonna use CMYK. When printing, use CMYK. So if you're posting flyers, you're gonna use RGB. Then you put your resolution at least 1000 to 15 to have a quality image. Okay, just watch. Look at, I will zoom it so you guys will see. Can you see it? Can you see all the text, everything, including the pictures? They have quality. They didn't drop. You can see it. So when sending this to clients, do not send as picture. Okay, you're going to send as document. I will teach you guys how you can send as documents if you don't know it. For those of you that don't know how to send as document, I will teach you guys how you can send as document. So you can see, look at, when clients see this type of job, they will be happy because it did not drop quality. Even when they upload it, it will be very difficult for this flyer to drop quality. 2 to 3 people can upload it. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.